Lauren, what school should we go to in this upcoming school year?
I don't know, Claire. I'm not sure.
Okay, let's look for some options. I think the tuition fee is so expensive.
It looks like small.
What are you guys confused about?
We're confused on what school we should go enroll to.
That's easy. Look up Bangkal National High School. That's the school I go to.
I used to rule the world. Seas would rise when I gave the word. Now in the morning I sleep alone. Sweep the streets I used to own.
We're not perfect, but we're just like you, learning, growing, and chasing our dreams. Here, our teachers aren't just teachers. They're mentors and our second parent too.
At Bangkal National High School, there's so many opportunities to explore.
Sir, pag-hi, sir.
안녕하세요.